What if you could keep your customers coming back every month and reliably predict how much they would spend in the long run? Throw in the ability to upsell with ease and low startup costs, and you've got yourself a winning recipe for business. Hello, my name is Kali Fung, and welcome back to Economy with Pagefly. Today, let's explore the recipe to start an online subscription business and the best practices to take your ideas off the ground in this video. First, we'll look at how to find winning products for your subscription box. Now let's go back to the drawing board and face your customer pain points up close. Do your subscription boxes solve your customers' pain points? For the start, your products should save your customers time and money, have product variety, and allow for exclusive access. Let's talk about time and money first. A monthly subscription charged automatically on bank account or e-wallets, allowing them to renew their items without effort. One of the most common examples of that must be Amazon Subscribe and Save, which delivers all everyday essentials and necessities like paper towels or trash bags. The second pain point is the lack of surprise. Paying the same amount of money every month, customers expect to receive a curated and flexible selection of different items. We have the cosmetic boxes of Birchbox is a typical example. You get new beauty products tailored to your skin, makeup style, and your preferences every month. The third one is all about feeling special. A special offer, VIP services sound much more compelling than buying items individually at the same cost. Naturebox.com is an example. Buyers can receive a huge offer, including price discounts, store credit, free delivery, product guarantees, and so on. That's amazing and absolutely hard to resist. Further to that, ask yourself how many products should be enough for a subscription. Number of products might vary due to many factors, including product categories should be enough to give your customers great value for money, but not too much that might overwhelm them. Does that sound a little too abstract? Let's break it down into some smaller questions. 1. How do you want your customers feel when they open their first box? 2. Should the box be half empty or should it look big? Should they be surprised with a variety of choices or feel comfortable and convenient when just right enough selection? Do any of the products in your subscription box have the same function? And can the products be used together in any useful way? Once you assemble the right products for your subscription box, it's time to handle the presentation. The presentation of your products and your subscription box should go along with your brand story and brand personality. That not only means the color codes, but also entails particular details such as unboxing experience and the sustainability of the packaging. Presentation should also involve customization. Now, the customization capacity should match your customer value you opt for. If you go for save time and money or gain exclusive access, you can let your customers customize selecting the products directly from the product list. As with Naturebox.com, if you want to surprise your customers, have a form to ask the potential buyers a very specific set of questions to learn about their taste, nutrition preference, and use these answers to curate a matching yet surprising snack box. Now that you have a clear vision of your subscription box, time to validate your box before you move on to pricing and pre-launch. AliExpress, Amazon, Google Trends, and Facebook Insights stand out as the most helpful tools in evaluating demand, sales data, and marketing insights. We also cover this topic of finding winning product in this video. Please check out the link in the description. Next up, we'll learn how to build a subscription box business with Shopify and Pagefly. Having an online store up and running is the stepping stone to your subscription box business. You can accomplish just that, and for free by using Shopify as a hosting platform and Pagefly as your reliable page builder. Now that you have the perfect combo in hand, let's start simply by activating the subscription box function of your online store. Step 1. Install a subscription box app. Go to the Shopify App Store at app.shopify.com and install the Recharge subscription app. Step 2. Set up subscription products. From your Shopify admin, click Products. Click the product that you want to manage the subscription of. Select whether to sell the products as a subscription only. To sell the product as a subscription only, check Sell product as a subscription only. To sell the product as one-time purchases as well as subscriptions, uncheck Sell product as a subscription only. Step 3. Set up your subscription box. Once installed, you need to go over the basic settings of your subscription box app. Here you have to determine how you want to offer your subscription products, how much discount you can offer to subscribers, frequency options, and products for your subscription box. Step 4. Connect your subscription box to payment processor. You can choose to get connected to either Stripe or Braintree with PayPal. Step 5. Set up your subscription rule. The rule sets include but are not limited to the products you want to offer for subscription, how often the customer will be charged, how often the product will be shipped, discounts for subscribing, specific days for charges, cut-off windows when subscribing, and automatic expiration after a set amount of time. Step 6. Brush up your subscription page with the following basic actions item. Have a clear call to action. Prepare mesmerizing product images. Make use of compelling product videos. Show how it really looks in real life. Create urgency and FOMO with countdown timers, discount, etc. Have upsell and cross-sell section placed strategically. Have social proof and trust pages to boost credibility, and design mobile first. So, you've just learned how to prepare and set up an online store for your subscription business. Now we will talk about the key factors that should be included to create a high converting page for a subscription box. We have listed out 5 key factors that affect the conversion rate of subscription page. So let's find out what they are. First, visuals. Good quality materials such as images, logos, videos, or even audios have to be well invested and consistent throughout the site, as they will reflect the professionalism and legitimacy of your business. Let's look at the first example here, DTC newsletter. They curate newsletters for marketing enthusiasts and have them delivered to their email box every week. As you can see here, they have a consistent design running through their page, which reflects how tech-savvy and friendly they are. The landing images are very representable so that customers can understand what DTC newsletter has in their pieces of content. The second factor is content. What you put into your landing page has to be concise and enticing enough to eventually lead to call to action buttons. Please note that since the landing page focuses on only a single marketing goal, you need to decide the certain action that you want customers to take. A well-phrased tagline and gripping description of your subscription box would have sparked excitement in visitors to explore your product and sign up for the release. Good content must resonate with your potential customers' demands and solve a specific problem. Also, a CTA should be clear enough to convert a visitor into an actual lead. TikTok, for an example, delivers digital marketing services to clients. Their landing page encourages visitors to sign up by placing 5 CTA buttons with one same goal through the page only. By repeating the CTA, visitors are encouraged to a single action, sign up for the service. The next factor is just pages, reviews or testimonials. This is a way of reinforcing your product's worth to your customers by showing them the experience that previous subscribers have with your subscription box. Trust pages have increased your brand's integrity. Sketchbox has done an excellent job when they have featured trust pages from very famous brands like Nylon or BuzzFeed into their landing page, which helps boost their credibility, as a subscription model revolves around the perks of personalization. The fourth factor, you need to create a landing page that allows your customers to elaborate on their preferences. This will help you understand your customers' patterns to create more tailored products and services, decrease churn rate, and increase loyalty and lifetime value. Coursera, our third example, is an online learning giant that delivers courses of various types. They have created a very detailed homepage with a long list of partner logos and success stories from its learners to channel high credibility. The other sections highlight wonderful numbers and achievements that the company has achieved, serving measurable outcome right to reluctant visitors. The search bar at the top asks what course this visitor would want to subscribe to, aiming to tailor the course to the liking of the participants. Again, customization really matters. Last but not least, don't forget to check the mobile version of your subscription page because it directly affects your conversion rate. The common thread among the subscription pages above is their dynamic presence across different viewing devices. This means a lot to the business as the majority of the internet users are on their phone all the time and mostly revolve around the mobile-first mentality. We do recommend you use a page builder for your Shopify subscription box, let's say Pagefly, so as to save yourself a lot of energy operating the page technically. Setting up a subscription box business on Shopify is easy, but growing it can be challenging, especially given the cost of customer acquisition with this business model. Fortunately, there are some simple tips to follow to ensure you are getting the most out of your business. Offer real value. It's essential to offer real value in your subscription boxes. People aren't going to buy things that they don't even need or want to collect. 2. Make a fun experience. Everyone loves unboxing, so why not make your subscription package a fun experience? Throw in the element of surprise or give out the occasional unexpected bonus product as a gift. Even little things can make the experience more worthwhile. 3. Get communication right. Customers want to know that they can talk to you quickly if they're going to give you money every month. A timely response on a chat support function goes a long way to showing your brand's reliability. Don't limit your communication to customer support. You should also have an active blog with valuable content to make your brand more trustworthy. 4. Let them customize the box. The customer should be able to choose what goes into their box. Sure, it's great to offer packages that you think it will be valuable to them, but at the end of the day, they also want the function to make it their own. After all, it's their money on the table, not yours. 5. Offer multiple payment methods. You need to make sure the checkout process is seamless. This is true of any business, but especially for subscription box businesses where there are much bigger hurdles in front of first-time customers. 6. Consider what's right for your business. If you are selling clothes, then you might want to offer a subscription box as a side feature of your store. If you're selling skincare, then you may wish to focus most of your effort on subscription and only a little on one-time product sales. The method you choose depends on the products you're selling. Make sure you do your research to see how effective subscription boxes are in your niche. Hopefully the video so far has covered what you need to know about starting a subscription box business and warm you up with some helpful tips. If you want to see more videos from Pagefly, please subscribe to our YouTube channel or visit us at pagefly.io. I am Kali. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.